Hello guys, today I will help you to install Packet Tracer on Ubuntu. There are two links on my video description in order to install Packet Tracer. Let's try to install this program. Open a navigator like Firefox and paste this link and download the file. Once you have downloaded this file, open the folder and open a new terminal here. Now, if you try to install this packet using sudo apt install, you will get this error. In order to install Packet Tracer properly, we need to install first this dependency. So let's copy this, go back to Firefox and paste this and write Ubuntu. Go here and go to this part 22.04 and the first link. Then copy this and then paste it. I will leave this link on my video description also. Now go back to the terminal. And install this packet. Now we can install Packet Tracer. Yes. If you launch this, you can properly open Packet Tracer. And now you can learn networking using Packet Tracer of Cisco. Thanks for watching.